Hey, today I'm going to show you how to pronounce this word here. Before we start, I just want to make things clear. I'm going to show you here the American version of this word. People pronounce it differently in British English. So if you're here to know the British version of this word, this is not the video for you. Go away. So let's begin. There's certain things you have to be careful about this word here. Beginning with the S sound. Careful so you don't add a vowel sound before S. I see a lot of people adding this E or I sound before the S sound. So don't do that. Practice with the S sound. S. To make sure you're doing that, place your hand on your throat and make sure your throat only vibrates once you get to the E sound. Now, I want you to pay attention to the CH sound. In this case, CH is not going to have the sound we see in Chuck. CH here sounds like K, K, like a K sound. Then D doesn't sound like a D we see in day. It sounds like a J sound, as in Jack. So not duh, but J, J. And U sounds like as in good. And we connect this sound with the dark L sound. That L sound we hear in words such as cool, tell, call, which is that sound we put more pressure in the back of the tongue. A good way to understand this sound is to put the tip of your tongue behind your upper teeth and try to make a sound with the back part of your tongue, like ooh. So that L sound is the dark L sound, but it starts without the tip of your tongue touching anything, and you're going to touch behind your upper teeth to stop the sound. You don't have to, but it helps. Also, notice that the shape of the tip of your tongue changes. So instead of having that flat tongue like this, try to make it a little pointy like this. And that's going to help you create that L sound. So the whole word sounds like schedule, schedule, schedule. Practice and let me know in the comments if there are any other words you want me to bring here. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.